Hello Europe, this is David calling from Canada. Today's topic is Ukraine in Eurovision 2025. So did anybody else watch Vidber this year? Probably very butchered that name. I thought it was great. My favorite parts were Tina Kroll. She has such an amazing voice. I'd love to see her back in the contest. I've been following her ever since 2006. Seeing her in concert in Toronto 2 years ago. Amazing performer. Love to see her back. The contest did drag on a bit at the end. I don't know why. It was like almost a 6-hour show. It took forever to get to the results. But I stuck it out. It's only like 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock here where I am in Canada. So I'll be doing a reaction, then a review at the end of the video of the winner. So let's get started. And she's not part of it. That's the sign language person. So it reminds me of like the 70s rock bands. So I did know this group was going to win just by seeing how many Spotify streams they had. They had like 228,000 million, I don't know what it was. But they had double the amount that the second place person had. So I was like, well, they're definitely going to win. Is this group really big in Ukraine, or just not something they would ever bring? So I'm very surprised that they won. It's more like things you'd see from like Latvia or Estonia. Like how the interpreter is just going all out with the guitar. So my favorite part of that song is actually not the group, it's the girl that sings the high parts. So I did watch the show, so I'll be going from my 10th place, my last place, to my first place. So my 10th place was DK, 9th place was Vlad, 8th place is Melody, so they got in 2nd place. 7th place was the group that won. Just rock's really not my thing. 6th place was Abby. 5th place was Krylata. 4th place was Future Culture, which I thought was a really fun song. 3rd place was Kayet. Probably said that really wrong. 2nd place was Masha, and 1st place was Finka. So, how will that song do? I don't know, because like Estonia brought that type of song too, and it did well. But you never know. This song did get twice as many streams as the 2nd place one, so it's very popular in Ukraine, so maybe it's very popular in Europe. It's just not my favorite type of sound, but I can see why it won. It is fun. The staging was great. The band had a lot of charisma. So what did you think of this song? Did you watch the national finals? If so, what was your favorite part of it? Again, my favorite part was Tina Kroll. She's always been my favorite. Amazing vocals. She's great. And do you think the song will get to the finals or stay in the semifinals? I'd like to hear from you in the comments below. If you like my video, don't forget I have one I'm reacting to all the Eurovision songs, as well as I have one that is just of Ukraine, so all the winning songs of Ukraine. And then I listed which one I liked the best compared to my least favorite, so check that one out. I'll link it somewhere. So, thank you for watching. Bye.